There's something magical about an old typewriter. No screens, no notifications, just metal keys, ink ribbons, and the rhythmic click-clack echoing through a quiet room. Every letter pressed leaves a mark that can't be undone. Every sentence feels deliberate, thoughtful, almost poetic. This machine doesn't just record words, it records moments. Decades ago, writers, journalists, and dreamers poured their stories into these keys. Novels were born here. Love letters were written here. History was typed, one click at a time. And even today, as the world moves faster, an old typewriter reminds us to slow down, to feel the weight of every word, and to remember that some stories deserve to be written, not just typed. This isn't just a machine, it's time, preserved in metal and ink.